This is Igbo Area
Well. When I thought about working on this topic, it was for me to a point a no-go area because of the status of this particular person we're going to talk about. He is a towering figure as far as Biafra is concerned. He has met several marks, and I believe he has also won awards. And I believe is someone millions of people are looking up to because he proved himself somehow. Somebody will ask, how did he prove himself? Okay, let me just give you an example of how he proved himself. Ever since the end of the Biafra war, we have been having agitations. For some, the Biafra, it's assumed dead, but it didn't die in their minds. They believe it's something that will resurrect sometime. So, in the new struggle to actualize it, we have seen a group that is more formidable than others, and it is the IPOB. And this man we are going to talk about now is the leader of this formidable group, IPOB. Nnamdi Kanu. I will start by looking at something Uchemefo, the IPOB deputy leader, wrote as a defense to what we are going to talk about. Okay, let's get to what we want to talk about. You heard about a video of the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, with a woman. The video is circulating. In fact, it is the most trending news. Why is it the most trending news right now? Because of the level of the person the video is talking about. Just like we said in the beginning, he's a towering figure. So it is making the video to trend. And what we are doing here, we decide to also, just like several people have talked about it, we at the Igbo Area TV wants to look about it. In doing this, we'll consider several materials. Now, we'll start with that of Uchemefo in defense. He said the video making rounds about the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, is not new. It has been in circulation since 2012-2013, and as such, nothing to be surprised about. Be advised accordingly, though, that this is a video of husband and wife, Nnamdi Kanu and our own Mrs. Uchechi Kanu. We know that employing of this cowardly conduct remains in the circumstances the only response and panic control strategy from the already destabilized panicky cabals in Aso and their errats to try to regain their battered and tattered image. These hopeless retards hacking, invading the privacy of the unstoppable Nnamdi Kanu with the help of one Rita and a Bogo, which would bring the zoo to her knees more than ever before. We challenge these charlatans to publish the videos of their wives. What can you say? Anybody sharing that video is an agent of the zoo. Report them on both Facebook and any platform they are operating on, and more importantly, block them. Be rest assured that we shall unmask the perpetrators behind the Facebook account. The same way we came out of the IPOB and tri-IPOB Sega is the same way we would come out of this cowardly act by Buhari and his cohorts stronger. This was written by Uchemefo, IPOB deputy leader. That was Uchemefo in defense of his number one. Mefo said those who are sharing it should be blocked or even reported on Facebook. We will tell you Igbo Area TV say as we go. Ever since the video surfaced, people have been reacting. A man called Dean Ikechukwu Onwuboyan, he said, attention please, it is his wife and not the prostitutes. Sorry to disappoint losers. We move. # we move. So he's trying to say the lady in question on that video is not a prostitute, but the wife of Nnamdi Kanu. So there's no fuse about that. A husband and wife can decide to go on a honeymoon That's for him. They can decide to go on a honeymoon, do their things. But just the question is, how did this video get to leak out? How did this video get to leak? So, this one by Chuks Madweke. He wrote, I saw a 3-minute video showing IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu and his wife chilling out in a room. However, I didn't see anything so bad that could have commanded the seeming outrage that the release of the video was meant to achieve. If that was Kanu's wife, then what's the big deal, since the scene didn't depict any domestic violence between the two, but a romantic one? Furthermore, it was not a public scene, but a private one that expectedly should be categorized as a legitimate liaison, since the consent between the two cannot be overemphasized. Those feeling that Kanu as a freedom fighter shouldn't flex should peep into the history of such people to appreciate that body no be wood. However, it is still possible that the video was shot years before Kanu even took the gauntlet to liberate his people, and even before the marriage. It could be one of those periods the two were trying to harmonize their relationship or to deepen the chemistry between them precisely. So the mischief behind the release of the video is understandable, especially as so many forces have sworn to break down the Afara prince and his struggles. However, for those who believe in the Biafran struggle, the opinion has been that the release of the video is an inconsequential distraction in their quest for total emancipation and freedom. Time will tell. I tell you, we'll be looking at opinions of several people. That was by Chuks Madweke. And here is this one by Anonymous. He said, as far as I am concerned, there's absolutely nothing wrong with a man relaxing with his wife on video, even as the wife is in swimsuit. You prudes, have you not seen a lady in swimsuit before? So all these people are trying to say is that it makes no sense. That's an attempt to smear somebody or ridicule somebody, or maybe those who are doing these things, some people will pick it up from there and somehow the leader will be dethroned, or they will scuttle the struggle. I don't know the intent of those who are behind it, but from the other side you can see that it didn't achieve the desired effect. Within hours, people have dismissed it with just a wave of hand. It is nothing. It doesn't affect anything. Because the lady in question in the video is his wife and not a prostitute. And I don't know why people will intrude, just try to destroy other people's, launder people's image. How did they get access to that video? That video was supposed to be a private video in a room. We don't know the intention of those behind it, but all we're saying is the reason for which they leaked the video, they didn't achieve what they want to achieve. From what I have even seen, we saw the defense for this IPOB leader. I think you will say each time he is attacked, that's what a friend told me. Each time you attack him, he soars even higher. Well, I am not an IPOB follower, and neither am I a follower of any of the Biafran groups, but my prayer is that Biafra will come. And I am not in support of whoever is behind this mischief. Yes, I'm not in support. I'm not in support of traducers. This is a cheap way of trying to, blackmail somebody. But you didn't even succeed. Let's do the right things. If somebody did not provide something for public consumption, leave it, even if you have access to the material. Once he did not hand it to you to show to the public, why do you want to show it to the public without his permission? There are things for public consumption. Ife gbasalo onye isi ndị IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra, onye na-akpọ Nnamdi Kanu, o nwere ihe onyonyo pụtalụ na-agbasasị ebe ya na nwunye na-enwe ife dị ka mmekọ ma ọ ọnọdụ aṅụrị, mana ndị mmadụ tụtụ ji ife a gbasaa ya. Ife akwụkwa na ife o melu maka ya na nwunye, mana ụfọdụ tụtụ ji gbasa ya n'ụdị ka ha wee mebie afa ya. Onya kwa ine kwano. Ọ bụrụ na mmadụ enyeghị gị ife ka ị gbasaa, hapụrụ ya etu ọ dị. Onye gbasara ife a, ọ na-eme ka o megide ma ọ ka o mebie ife gbasara Biafra, anyị amaghị ife dị n'uche. Mana ife anyị ghọtara wụ na kama onye ahụ ya emegide, o mekwuru ọkwa Nnamdi Kanu lekwuo enu. Ife a ha na-agbasa mekwuru ha wee mata na ndị na-eso n'azụ ka kwuche nchem. O meghị ka ndị otu etisa. Ọ ife na-eme.
Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. You can also visit our Facebook page and like the page. You can join our Facebook group, Igbo Area TV. God bless you and bye for now.